don't know what had happened, y'all. So if y'all see 2 parts to this video, y'all gonna know why. It just shut off on me. But y'all, these shrimps, y'all see them? So good. Don't even need no sauce in there. Yeah. I like how good, y'all. Y'all really don't understand. And let's take the blue part, so. Yeah, I just don't know. Let me get started. All these big onions is what I don't like. They don't be knowing when I say light on the onion, I really mean light on the onion, maybe like full onion in the whole salad. So, Y'all comment down below, let me know if y'all like salad, and stuff like that. There we go, there we go. Sounds good. Don't ask me why I use so much dressing, because this is my business. I like dressing. Okay. So how y'all day been going? What y'all been on? What y'all been doing? I'm just trying to eat, y'all, and watch my show. Y'all done got this show called All Queens Men. And I be watching Life After Lockup, y'all. Love After Lockup, Life After Lockup, whatever. And whoo, baby, when I say they be clowning on that. But I done got so deep in All the Queens Men though. But I'm only on season 1, episode like 7 or something like that. Cause I be in it, okay? Y'all just don't understand, baby. I get in them shows and go crazy. Oh, especially what's the other show by Tyler Perry? Sisters. I can't wait till that one come back on. Still wait. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if y'all watch some of these shows and stuff like that, So, yes, I had prayed over my food and it cut me off. So I prayed all the way through. In Jesus' name, bless everything, Y'all. But I'll give my steak sauce I normally get for the chicken. This food be so good. I'll be like, yeah. Sorry it's kind of dark back here, y'all, but I'm making it do what it do. Either way, to bring y'all some live content video, as soon as I get a real good camera, I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff. Like I say, just to let y'all know, I'm gonna be putting a prank up tomorrow that I did for Slay. But y'all gonna fall laughing. I got her real good. She told me she was finna get in the pool. So I had told her to call me before. Let me know she come down. Cause I need some out the room. Yeah. Y'all gonna see. I got her real good. Now, all this giving what it's supposed to give. It's hard to pick and choose which one I'm gonna eat. Cause it's so good. It's like, baby bless me. Oh. Please don't tell me somebody about to come in. I just heard a call was. Yeah, this chicken right here. This grilled chicken. Y'all just don't know. Bread. Well, we're just gonna eat. Oh, excuse me. That was real loud. Jesus Christ. Got a man was buying me, y'all. Burping like that. I need to get that together. Oh, wait. I don't know if y'all ever had Greek salad, but the humps of cheese that they got in there, these taste like meat. Good. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see me doing more videos like that. Y'all want to see me doing more pranks. I'm gonna put my workout video when I start too. Look, so I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want, okay? And y'all just let me know what it is that y'all want to see. Cause, baby, I'm coming forward. I'm all for it, baby. And what God has for me is for me. Okay, no man stop it. No man block it. None of the blessings, okay? And thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for real, from the bottom of my heart, for the ones who watching my crazy self do all this old burping and stuff. I really appreciate y'all for real. Continue to watch, comment, like, share, subscribe, anything y'all want to or need to do to get this going up and up and up. I think we up to like 20 subscribers. The most on one video we got like 35 views. Y'all start liking them, start commenting, start, doing everything y'all can to help a sister out. You know, that's what we need. We need to motivate each other, encourage each other, go strong. That's what we need more of because we don't have that anymore. Excuse me. And they don't care. Don't nobody care about us, especially our color. They don't care about us. They killing us off. They don't care. So we have to encourage each other. Stop hating on each other. Stop, being against each other. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to motivate somebody to do better. So we don't sometimes because we don't know no better. We try to hurt each other, take each other out. That's what they programmed in us, you know what I'm saying? To the beginning of time, but we've always been so smart. But they only had the money. I don't know how. But we had the brain and we would help. You know how? If y'all just come on. Get it together. Do it together. With us being together, we can be stronger. We can do more. Level each other up. I go in there, I watch everybody's stuff. I don't care if they be in drama, if they be praising the Lord, or if they be whatever it is they want to do. I go in there, I like all that stuff. I watch for views. Everything. I just don't share because I don't know how to. Oh Lord, look like the whole group coming in with balloons. It's time for me to go, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Thank you as always. Like, share, comment, subscribe.